Hello everyone, my name is Nuranggraini. I'm a student at the University Bina Sarana Informatika, majoring in Public Relation Communication Science. And today, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area should be strictly prohibited. Campus is place for learning, not for smoking. When people smoke in public area, its affect not only their own health, but also the health of other around them. Now, I personally feel the impact of this problem. I have asthma, and sometimes it gets worse because of cigarette smokes. It's not very serious, but it makes me feel really uncomfortable when it happens. Breathing become difficult, and I can focus on my studying. That's why I feel that people who smoking in public place, especially on campus, are selfish. They only think about their own pleasure and ignore other who might serve from their action. Besides that, smoking also make the environment dirty because of cigarettes butts get learned everywhere. It's also give a bad image to our university. Therefore, I strongly support the rules that ban smoking in the campus area. Let's work together to make our campus clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Thank you for listening my speech, and bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Nuranggraini. I'm a student at University Bina Sarana Informatika, majoring in Public Relation and Communication Science. And today I'm going to present about question word. This word is very important because we use them in daily conversation to ask for information. So let's learn them together now. First, what are question words? Question words are words that we use to ask for specific information. We don't use them to get yes or no answer, but to get detail. They also known as WH words because most of them start with WH. Here are the most common question words in English. Each one has a different function like who, asking for person, what, asking for things or activity, where, asking about a place, when, asking about time, why, asking about reason, which, asking for a choice, whose, asking about possession, whom, asking about the person who is the object, and how, asking about manner or method. On this slide, we are going to learn how to make question using a question word. First, remember that question word usually come at the beginning of question. After the question word, we choose the correct verb form depending on the sentence. The first chapter is question word plus auxiliary verb like to be, do, or have, plus subject, plus main verb. For the example, like where do you live or when are you living? When are you living? The second structure use a modal verb such as can, could, will, would, should, might, must. The structure is a question word plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. For the example, what should I do? Or who would he stay with? And the last one is when the question word is followed directly by the main verb. This usually happen when we ask about the subject of the sentence. For the example, who won the game? The first, who, asking about a person. Who is a word used to ask about the identity of the person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or content. Who functions to help us identify relevant people or subject in content. For example, like who is he? Who are your parents? Who won the game? Who is your favorite actor? And next, what? Asking about the things or activity. What is a question word used to ask about object, activity, or concept that occurred? Its function is to obtain information about a certain object, activity, or concept in conversation or situation. Example, what are you doing? What's your name? What do you think about the movie? What is your favorite color? You can also use the word what to ask for repetition or confirmation. For example, what did you say? This for repetition. And what you mean we should at 9 a.m. right? For confirmation. Where? Asking about a place. Where is a question word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. For example, where is the nearest hospital? Where did we go on vacation last year? And where are my keys? And the last, where is the bathroom? When? Asking about a time. When is question word used to ask about the time or time period on an event. In Its function is to obtain information about the signature time or period in conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. For example, when is your birthday? When did you arrive in Jakarta? When does the movie start? When will you finish your homework? Next. Next, why? Asking about reason. This word is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, happening, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something like that. For example, why did you come to the party? Why are you late? Why did you choose this university? Why do you want to learn English? Why are you crying? Why did she quit the job? Which? Asking for the choice. Which is question word that help us choose between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular choice for a number of available options. Help us in decision making. Example: which color do you prefer? Red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which restaurant server the best in town? Whose? Asking about possession. Whose is question word that is used to ask about ownership or to whom a certain object or thing belongs. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea is to organize the event? Whose dog is barking loudly? Whom, asking about the person who is the object. Whom is question word used to ask about the person who is the object of the sentence. Whom help us to determine the relationship between subject and object in the sentence. For example, to whom did you give the present? The present. Who did she invite to the party? Who do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? How? Asking about manner or method. For how is question word that is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. Example: how can I improve my English speaking skill? How do you solve this math problem? How do you bake a cake? How did you learn to ride a bike? In how, there are several variations of how depending on what we want to ask. The first, how old. How old is used to ask at the age of a person or object. Example: how old are you? How old is this stitch? And how old is your mother? The second, how far. How far is used to ask how far the distance has been traveled. Example: how far I will go? How far is that to go the children by train? And the last, how far will you love me? Next, how many? How many is used to ask how too many quantities of something can be counted. Example: how many doves in the cage? How many times do you clean your bedroom in a month? How much? How much is used to ask for the amount of something that cannot be counted. Cannot. For example, how many stars you can count in the sky? And the last, how much sugar we should buy. How often? How often used to show the intensity of someone habit. For example, how often you eat bread in a week? How often she go to Lampung? Next, how long? How long is used to ask for the duration of time. For example, how long do you go to school? Okay, this is 3 tips for question word. And remember, yes, always remember. The one, always start your question with the question word. And two, use correct actually or to be verb. And the last, don't forget the question mark. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope this is helpful. And I'm sorry for my pronunciation, it's not good. And thank you very much. Bye bye.